you ever get confused between when to use much and when to use many? Well, it's a common mistake, but understanding the difference is actually quite simple.
Much and many are used to express that there is a large quantity of something. Much and many are used in negative sentences and questions. Many is used with countable nouns, and much is used with uncountable nouns. For example, I don't have many CDs in my collection. I don't have many CDs in my collection. They don't have much money to buy a present. They don't have much money to buy a present. How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? Is there much milk in the fridge? Is there much milk in the fridge? Note: we rarely use much and many in positive sentences. We almost always use a lot of or lot of. With the word times, we use many times more than a lot of times or lot of times. It sometimes means frequently or often. For example, that is my favorite book. I've read it many times. Or don't worry, I've done this many times. We have stayed at this hotel many times over the years. Now you go and give it a try. Let me know how it went in the comments below.
That's it, guys. So next time you get confused about these two, remember that. Use much with uncountable nouns and use many with countable nouns. It's as easy as that. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. And I see you next time. Bye-bye.